Aftertreatment systems clean your exhaust of harmful emissions like soot and nitric oxide, which is not only great for the environment, but also for your equipment's efficiency. And since you depend on that equipment to get the most out of your business, you should protect it and your aftertreatment system with the all-new CAT Performance CVA. If your aftertreatment system has an issue, there's likely an issue with your machine's performance, warning lights, engine power loss, increased fuel consumption. The aftertreatment system is specially designed with your engine specs in mind, and something like that requires expert maintenance and installation. Luckily, nobody's more skilled than CAT dealer technicians. With a Performance CVA, your dealer performs all maintenance on time with genuine CAT parts and fluids, ensuring optimal efficiency. Plus, if components like the NOx sensor, DEF pump, or DEF injector fail, the cost of those parts is covered when installed by your dealer. With the Performance CVA, aftertreatment systems are protected, your ownership is easy, and your equipment is ready to work. Talk to your dealer today about the Performance CVA.